We need to determine the value of sine squared 72 degree minus sine squared 60 degree. Okay, so let us begin. We'll start with the given expression. We have sine squared 72 degrees minus sine squared 60 degrees. Now, we can find out the value of sine 60 degree. That's a standard trig function. However, we'll have to compute the value of sine squared 72 degree. Let us begin by first computing the value of sine 72 degrees. Now, sine of 72 degrees thus can be also expressed as sine of the angle. So in place of 72, we can use 90 degree minus 18 degree. Means exactly the same thing. But once we do that, what we get is sine of 90 degree minus some angle theta. So we get cosine of the angle theta. So we get cosine of 18 degree. Meaning, we can say sine 72 degree is going to be equivalent to cosine of 18 degree. So that means our expression now transforms into cosine squared 18 degree minus sine squared 60 degree. Now we do have a standard value for cosine 18 degree. So cosine of 18 degree, that's given by the square root of 5 plus square root of 5 whole divided by 8. We're going to use this value, which means we now get square root of 5 plus square root of 5 divided by 8. We square this value. And then we have sine squared 60 degrees. So sine squared is square root of 3 over 2 whole squared. Now we have 5 plus square root of 5 divided by 8 minus 3 over 4. Combining it, we get a common denominator of 8. Then we have in the numerator 5 plus square root of 5 minus 6, which gives us the value square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 8. And that's going to be the value of the trig expression sine squared 72 degree minus sine squared 60 degrees.